How to get rid of European hornet. European hornets are one of the largest and most intimidating wasps you'll encounter, especially if they've built a nest near your home. These insects can be aggressive when disturbed, and their powerful stings make them a serious concern for families and pets. Whether you're dealing with a buzzing nest in your yard or hornets invading your space, it's crucial to approach the problem carefully and effectively. In this video, we'll guide you through everything you need to know about safely removing European hornets. We'll cover how to identify them, understand their behavior, and explain why they might have chosen your property. Most importantly, we'll walk you through step-by-step methods to deal with them, including natural deterrents, chemical solutions, and when to call a professional. Welcome to The Guardian's Choice. This video will tell you how to using traps, trying sprays, and hiring professional help. Follow all the steps in this video for the best results, and don't forget to subscribe to get all the household tips and tricks you don't want to miss. Method 1. Using traps. Number 1. Use bait. Certain gels and baits, when transported to the nest, serve to poison and kill European hornets. This can be an effective means of pest control. Honeydew gel is an effective means to poison European hornets. It can be purchased from most hardware stores or greenhouses. You can leave honeydew gel on shrubs and trees where you see hornets gather. Once it is carried back into the hornet nest, it will cause hornets to get sick and die. Sometimes the whole nest dies and other times a few hornets die, signaling dangers and causing the hive to navigate elsewhere. Honeydew gel may take a few days to work properly. If you do not see a reduction in the infestation in a week, you might want to try other means. Number 2. Invest in glue traps. Glue boards are sticky paper boards you can attach to the siding of your home in areas where hornets congregate. Try to leave the boards around light, as hornets are attracted to bright lights as it makes hunting easier. When hornets fly into glue boards, they become trapped and eventually die. This can be an effective means to get rid of a small infestation where the nest itself is not near or in your home. Number 3. Try a light trap. Hornets are attracted to light, especially at night when they're still active. A light trap can attract hornets to a large glowing light or orb and then kill them via electrocution. European hornets are stronger than moths and other nighttime pests, so you'll need a strong light trap. Look for something of at least 110 voltage. In order for the light trap to work, you'll need to turn off other nighttime lights in your yard so the hornets are solely attracted to your trap. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Trying sprays. Number 1. Try cypermethrin. If hornets frequently congregate your home, a bug spray called cypermethrin can be used. You use this spray by dousing the siding of your home and light fixtures. It does not kill wasps, but does repel them. If a nest is not near your home, cypermethrin can be a good way to keep wasps from bothering you. It is generally not toxic to people or animals, but it can cause indigestion for family pets, so keep it out of reach of dogs and cats. You can find this product at most greenhouses or hardware stores. Number 2. Purchase a liquid insecticide with the active ingredient thiamethoxam, such as 𝒄𝒏𝒏𝒆𝒍. Insecticides are sprays that works much like honeydew. They do not kill pests on contact but poison the colony when accidentally transported by 1 or 2 wasps back to the nest. If you suspect a hornet nest is close by, consider an anti-gel bait. Spray the insecticide you purchased, following the directions on the container, in areas where you've seen hornets. Areas like house siding, lights, and plants are optimal. With luck, a hornet should land on one of these places and accidentally bring a dosage of the gel back to the nest. Usually, the colony is contaminated within 3 to 5 days. At this point, the hornets will either die off or abandon their current nest. If you do not know where a suspected hornet's nest is, insecticides can be an effective treatment option. Number 3. Use phantom aerosol. Phantom aerosol is a spray that works on impact. If you've located the nest, spraying aerosol around the area should effectively kill the hornets. However, be careful. You may want to contact an exterminator instead, as you do not want to risk getting stung. Keep in mind that phantom aerosol should not be used on living plants. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Hiring professional help. Number 1. Recognize a hornet's nest. If you find a nest in your home or near your home, you need to call an exterminator. It can be very difficult and even dangerous to remove a nest in your home without professional assistance. Hornets' nests are usually found in covered areas. In houses, they'll likely be tucked in or under a drawer or cabinet, in the eaves of the house, or in attacks outdoors. They tend to be found in treetops. Hornets' nests are made with papery substances derived from saliva and bits of wood pulp. Hornets' nests get bigger as the colony grows and can even reach the size of a basketball net. Number 2. Contact an exterminator or pest control. If you find a nest near your home, immediately contact pest control or an exterminator. You should do this as soon as possible. If you cannot afford a professional exterminator, pest control can generally do the job for free, as it's a safety concern. Number 3. Take safety precautions. Unlike bees, hornet stingers do not fall off upon impact. They can sting over and over again, making them dangerous in large groups. While waiting for the nest to be safely removed, take certain precautions. Stay away from the nest. Keep pets and children away as well. Watch for signs of allergic reaction, like redness and swelling, if you get stung. Any signs of an allergic reaction should be evaluated by a doctor as soon as possible. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. You should always have pest removal sprays and traps on hand. You never know when an infestation might occur. Warnings. 1. Stay away from nests when possible. Hornet stings are venomous and multiple stings can cause serious allergic reactions and even death. Choose the method that works best for you and your situation, and help to reduce European hornet infestation. Follow this channel to learn many more household tips, tricks, and life hacks like this. If you have other tips, please share them with us in the comments. Hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.